Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, I'm going to be fixing the light on the Skyline. Alright guys, just a little catch up on last episode. I straightened out this edge here. Just a little bit of dinting where I was hammering. But what we really need to do is mount this up so we know it's straight. So we've got a broken tab here, so I need to get this light out. Good morning, Az. A little snot there. You got a little snot? Alright, so we've got this mount here that I need to fix, and the mount that bolts to. So we'll check it on the other side. What are you doing under the car? What are you doing under there? Alright, so I've got... Actually, I'll take this light out as well, so I can truly reference everything. Right, so I've got 4 bolts out, so there's 4 mounting spots. So I've got one at the front here, one at the top here, one here, and one from the panel. Alright, so here's the broken light mount here. So here's the other side. Here's the other side. Alright, so there's a good one, there's the broken one. So we need this round bit that goes there. Need to get it off. Alright, I got it off. So it comes out from here. Let's see if I can get it like that. I'll work it out off camera, make it a bit easier. I'm just cleaning up the surfaces so we can glue it back on. As he just won't leave me alone today, will ya? Alrighty. It's like a puzzle that you don't have all the pieces for. So I just found this bit sitting up there. That goes on there. So I'll clean that up and I'll glue it. Found the two pieces that go together. So I'm going to make some little braces. Make some little braces up. Glue them together. Maybe chuck a little bit in there if I need it. If I can't find the other pieces. And that piece goes onto there. So slowly getting there. Definitely won't find all the parts. So I've just glued part of the bottom mount, the one that's over here. So we can, I think it's got a very little bit that attaches to the broken part. So after this, and this piece goes on, we're going to have to start making our own to strengthen it. Shouldn't be too bad. Well, if I can pick up something that thick of plastic, just either glue it on or plastic weld it on. I've got a plastic welder, so use as much as the original as possible. So these are the actual, the mounting points. It's great that I've got the mounting points, except for this one here. I never had that one, so I might make one. Yeah, can feel that it's sitting in there good. Sitting in there very good. Like shattered, but it locks in. It's good. Alright guys, I've just glued on this bottom tab here. I held it for like 5 minutes, so I wasn't going to film that. But I've just filled in a little bit more. And we can start making our own tabs, or filling it in structurally. And yeah. Alrighty. Back from lunch, and there's a bird on the roof. So these are really good. So I've just got the last bit to do. And be time to go pick up Marley. Alright guys, I've got that other mounting point on. So it's quite cold today, so I'm just going to leave it there. I've balanced it out with some tape. That's pretty upright there. This one over here is all good. Then tomorrow, for this episode, we'll build it up and make it stronger. So it looks pretty similar to this one here, or even stronger. Cool. Alrighty guys, it's the next day. Got Azzy, the shop dog, here helping out. You gonna help out? No? Alright. Let's check this out. It's looking pretty good. It's actually moving this part. It's good. So now what we need to do is make another mount for here. So we'll have a look at this side. So that's what it will look like. So we're looking at thickness, some inches. About 3 to 4 mil. Yeah. So we're gonna go have a look for some ABS plastic, so we can make some more mounts. So what I'm going to do is put the light back in, obviously get this bolt off, and then we'll make some more mounts. So just having the right thickness for where the bolt goes in, to where it goes onto the light, so it's all set properly. You know what I mean? And then I can cut things to shape to fill in the broken parts, to strengthen it. Yeah. I might head down to Bunnings and see if they've got any. If not, there is a plastic place just in Kilsyth, which isn't far away at all. Alright guys, I've just put the light in. It's just sitting in there. I haven't mounted anything yet. So yeah, it's just pulling it in. So I actually need to bend that part of the panel as well. Just got to bring it in a bit. That's okay. And fill in some plastic there. We've got to make. You've been drinking out of the puddles again. And we'll make it for here. We'll try to find some plastic. I just realised that I broke some of the mount. So while I was bolting the panel into here, this one here cracked again. So I was walking out, I was walking past the body filler, and I came across my 3-piece putty knife set, which I got from Super Cheap for $1, and I think I might actually use this. It has a squircle already in it for mounting, and it's plastic. You can cut it up. I've still got 2 of these left. So yeah, that's my guy with this. Alright guys, so I'm going to get the other side in so I can get the references for the support here to, say, the bottom of the light, so I know how much gap needs to be under what's left of the mount there, so I can mount the mount the scraper in there. Alright, so I've got that one all in. It's tight, it's got good panel gaps as well. So now I'll take references and I'll need to put things underneath here to hold it in position, and we'll be right. Alright, so check the other side. We're at 73mm. Got a little chock under here. We are at 73mm, and we've got pretty good panel line that needs to come in. Focusing on that top edge there, looking good. That's all open anyways. So we'll start chopping this up and show you the end result. Alright guys, I've glued it in. Once that sets, I'm going to take it off, and I'm going to get my plastic welder and add some plastic to it. Add some, I think I've got some ABS rods there, just to the back side of it. And yeah, once I've done that, we'll move on to this section here. So this is all just to get it into place, and then I'll add the plastic. So I've still got all of this to play with, so Az is going to help me, and we'll get that in there and make it look half decent and structurally sound for mounting guards to. Okay guys, so the glue has set on this tab here, so we're going to take them off and plastic weld. Hopefully it hasn't glued itself on there, and can get it off without breaking it off. Sweet. It did glue itself a little bit. All good. I'm going to plastic weld it now. Alrighty guys, back to the 3rd day on this life. So it's getting me. I really need to just bend. Ah, okay, that's it. That was easy. Yeah, that mount wasn't mounting up properly. I was pulling that tab in and kept breaking. But let's see how we go. This is a long episode, guys. Alright guys, slowly getting there, making it a bit more stiff. So I've got this little bit to add in this section here, and hopefully down into that section there. This one I'll probably do a little bit more bracing, It is a bit flimsy, so probably some little triangles. Brace it a bit if I can. I don't think I can. Maybe from this side actually. Alrighty, we are finally done, I believe. So I added a bit to the front there, a bit of the old plastic scraper for the body filler, and I used a lot of the scraper in this part, trying to get it to look like that one as much as possible. I've only really missed that side there, as you can see, but yeah, that is heaps stronger now, so I'm pretty happy with that. Looks a bit crap, but who's going to see it? It's strong. See how strong it is when I bolt the guard to it and start hitting the guard. Alrighty guys, I'm going to finish this episode here. So we've got that there and that there, looking pretty ugly, but it's pretty strong. Thanks for tuning in guys. If you liked this episode, give it a thumbs up, and if it did help you out, comment down below whereabouts it actually helped you out. Now, it only cost me $1 for those 3 scrapers, and it had the perfect little circle. So if you've got a tab that's broken off your V35 or G35 headlight and you're in Australia, go to see Super Cheap Auto. They're only $1. Alright guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye.